It finally came in. Engineer Academy is finally here, and I'm so excited to show you guys inside because it is more perfect than I could have asked for my 5-year-old who is definitely engineering brained. It is the perfect little book for STEM activities, introducing engineering to your kiddo, if that is something that your kid likes or is interested in. I'm going to flip you around and show you inside so you can see for yourself. Alright guys, it's kind of windy here today, so hopefully this works out because I am outside. I'm at our table outside. So this is Engineer Academy, and so as you can see, the cover comes with part of, it looks like an airplane here, written by Steve Martin. So here's the table of contents, and it gives you 6 different types of engineering that they're going to introduce you to throughout the book. It's such a fun little program. In mechanical engineering, they're going to introduce you to levers and pulleys, making the wheels turn, gears, engines. In aerospace engineers, airflow, flight of the Condor, jet engines, blast off, robotics engineer, robots, a helping hand, and sensors. Energy engineers, electricity in the home, electrical circuits, power stations, electricity at a touch, mining, nuclear power. Then they have alternative energy engineer, which is windmills, water power, water wheels, wind and water power today, and the sun. And then last you have materials engineers, which properties, strength, magic metals, a tower of strength, and friction. And then at the end you have an engineer's toolbox, which is going to be a game, your stickers, and there is a poster. So you have, the first page is Welcome to Engineer Academy, and it kind of gives you an outline of what an engineer does. You can fill out your kiddo's name or your little engineer's name, their age, and when they started the program. And then it says to graduate from Engineer Academy, you have to complete the tasks in this book and earn all your stickers and qualification certificates. Okay, so here it says Meet the Engineers, and it gives you all 6 types of engineers that they're going to cover in the book and what they do. So for your first activity, it kind of shows you here what a mechanical engineer does, and then when you finish you will place your sticker here. So on this one you're doing levers. Here you're going to put together a simple pulley system. As you can see, it's pretty things that you should have around the house already, and I mean it gives you a whole breakdown on what it is, and you know how you can use it in different situations. Okay, so I'm going to flip forward to the next one, which is aerospace. Oh, I should mention that at the end you do have a certificate that you can earn if you want to do that for your kiddo. So here we have the aerospace engineer, and as you can see, you're going to build a paper airplane, and it gives you, how does a plane work and how it flies and things like that, aerodynamics. So kind of flip you through here, and then again with another certificate. So here you have the robotics engineer. You're going to design your ultimate robot. You have a helping hand, so you're going to create a mechanical grabber arm, again with things that you probably already have around the house. You need 2 6-inch rulers, 2 rubber bands, and a letter size piece of paper. Here you have energy engineer, and it's the same kind of thing. Alternative energy engineer, you're going to create your own windmill, or wind turbine, sorry. We have a materials engineer going over different properties. Going over friction, and I'm just skipping through here so you get the idea. And then at the back here we get, well, first it is your well done. You you completed all of the challenges and finished your training in all of the branches of engineering. And then it gives you a little engineering code for you to say. And then at the back you have your engineer's toolbox. So an answer page if you need it. You have all your stickers. And then you have your game pieces that you can punch out. And then you have your game board. So here is your poster. Let's see that here. On the other side you have your game board. So that was inside of Engineer Academy. If you are looking for a fun introduction to engineering for your kiddo, this is a great book. I know they have a couple other ones. I believe they have Vet Academy, Chef Academy, and maybe Architect Academy, but I'll double check that and I will link those below, and I'll also link this one below. I believe I paid maybe $12 for this book. Well, this on the back it says $12.99, but I believe I paid $12 for this. I will link it below. It's such a perfect little book for introducing engineering to your kiddos, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you are looking for something similar, can't recommend this enough, and I can't wait to get into this book. I know my son is gonna love it, and I will keep you posted on how it goes. Thanks guys, see you next time.